July what? 13.
Friday the 13th.
Friday the 13th. So guys, we are going to the old house to do some errands. Wow, American errands, not jobs, huh?
Definitely American.
So we're going to do some jobs. Like, and then we're going to meet panganay's flatmates. So, ibibigay namin yung key sa kanya. What else we're gonna do? Clean the garden.
Cut some keys.
Cut some keys and then drop off the curtains sa Freedom kasi they have to cut kasi it's too long. Himing. You call it himing?
Himing.
Yeah. So yes, imimit namin yung dami nilang mandarins. Ikakat yung keys para may copy din yung flatmates ni panganay, and then that's it. And then we're going to do I'll go to the Asian shop, which is the one next to the old house, to get some veggies. I'm going to cook sinigang for the girls, and yeah, that's for the ganap for today. Did you sleep well? Sleep well?
Not bad.
Not bad.
Still feel like I'm having another snooze though.
I did finish the kitchen, and I did edit for tonight's video. Yeah, but I did wake up quite late though. Not really my usual wake up time.
Late.
11:30. Late. I don't have morning. Okay guys, balikan ko kayo mamaya what else ganap. But yeah, the girls will be in the house tonight. So pupunta si Kata at saka si Reese. At saka syempre si Dan at saka si Nina. Fresh from Philippines. Char. Are you fresh from what, babe? I'm fresh from bed.
I'm too old to be fresh. No, that's it. I'm stale.
Buang kami, boy. So, yes, balikan ko kayo mamaya, guys. Yan. Ba't pala ako nag-English, oy? Hindi kasi, guys, yung iba palang nanonood, hindi ako naiintindihan kasi nagtatagalog ako. So, I'll try to do like Taglish. Ilongga na lang ko. Kaya nakapoy, nagid ko yung sagay English, oy. Gadugo ako ni ilong. Tawa balis ito, katalak ka. Wala siya ka-chindi sa kang guys. May ganun, hindi ako may chindihan. Pero wala sa balo ko anong ginawa ka. Babe, natakaan ko pala sa imo, babe. Kaulog tasan, gid bala sa imo.
Being completely silly, I guess.
Pero may ka lang niya, ulog tasan. Abi pagpuli. Pagtig-ang to.
I am glad I'm not your child.
Why am I nagging mom?
I can only imagine. You might well be a nagging mum.
Mom? Anyway, goodbye. Ay, naku. Gigil ako.
I probably need to tell you folks that this morning I was looking for my jeans. And
Well,
I got severely told off for being blind when Lyra found my jeans and threw them at me to put on, but they were not, they were her jeans. And they still had the tag on them.
Huh.
So anyway, we're both blind.
At least I'm looking, you're the one. You're not looking, your mouth is looking.
That's correct.
It's like this, choke, 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 but not looking. Like at least I'm talking, but my hands is moving.
Well, I just expect that your
Lazy
incredible
bum?
memory, you'll remember where everything is, even if I put it there.
But guess what, guys? Where did you find your jeans?
I found my jeans put away on the shelf that I
By whom?
did. Folded up and put them away.
So who's
And I was so
that?
surprised and shocked I'd forgotten about it.
Bad memory loss.
No, I remembered eventually.
Guys, nandito kami sa lumang bahay. So, yan guys. Dyan at saka doon. Sa lahat ng fence, merong mga grapes. Tapos, yun yung plum, olives, apricot, dalawang apricot, Chinese na fruits ata yan. Basta yung orange siya na parang kamatis. Yung pomegranate. And yung aking mandarins and aking oranges. Yan, doon. Isa lang. Tapos mandarins. Tapos yung lemons is nandito. Magpapatulong ako kay Tony guys na ang ganda ng bulaklak. Maganda to ilagay sa ano guys. Sa ating bubble bath. Jacuzzi. Tapos may flowers. Ganyan. Bongga. Diba? Ito pa iba oh. Dami. Ay, ayan oh. May petals. Ito ang lemons. Konti yung bunga niya guys. This year, konti yung bunga niya. But, kunin natin yung iba. Gawa kami ng lemons guys. Ginagamit siya ni Tony for tea. Ayan.
Nice.
Yep. You got one?
Now where can I put them that we won't forget it for the next 3 years? Did you find it? No. Oh, okay.
Dito na siya guys. Naka onesie siya.
Hello people!
Maganda yan. Warm. Lamig-lamig today. Did you find it?
We can obviously open it, but I'll see if I can find it.
Where is it?
Because remember I came and waved it under your nose and I said, oh, we've got an open.
Kasi guys, si Tony guys, tour guide.
Nag-house tour.
Nag-house. Hanapin siya natin. Ayun guys, nakikita nyo ba yun? Nag-tour guide siya. Talaga naman may detalyado. Tour guide siya. Okay.
Hindi ito tama yung cover no?
Hindi ko mahanap.
May light and die.
Thank you. Sino yung isa?
Ano, Maris G, yung lip tint pala yun.
Thank you.
May lights. Nag-i-on mo sa gilid.
Ay, mirror pala yan.
Akala mo ano? Wala lang. Oy, ganda!
Ganda!
Oh, patay ka.
May pa-lighting tayo, guys.
Malala sino. Thank you, salamat.
Tingnan mo sila, guys. Ayan.
Magbihis ka na.
Pagkatapos ng magluto,
Dito na yung onesie niya. Magbihis ka na, dahil.
pa siya ng sandal. Ano na? Veronica!
Maliit na ano doon.
Tingnan mo, guys, yung mga chinelas namin. Tignan nyo, guys.
Oo nga.
Ayun pa yung isa.
Unicorn. Yes. Yung bata na may dalang bola.
Ayun yung batang cute. Nasaan na? Para kang Teletubbies! Thank you, Winky! Dipsy! Lala!
Thank you.
Kung green ka or red ka, ay nako. Ano ko labas mo?
Thank you, Winky. Tipsy.
Ganda dito tayo. Maganda na lang mag-diet bartender dahil. Sige.
Bartender ka noon?
Ano sa yung mix? Char? Tutulog daw siya.
That's really cool.
Ano na?
I think place.
Ano na ba?
This is per square meter, right?
Thanks for the pork, babies.
The green. That's the green.
I'd like to dedicate this song to my parents.
Char. Nandun yung boys guys sa kusina sila. Mata niya. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Lulu. Veronica, bye. Bye. Daddy. Kiat-kiat si babe, boy.
Pagod na siya na bye na.
Oh.
I think she's getting confused now. She's tired.
She's tired.
Maybe
Bye, Baba. Bye, babe.
Goodbye, President Ray. 6345.
Bye. Prisoner daw ako.
Alright, let's go.
Guys, umaga na.
Oo nga, umaga na si Dad. Pagod na din sila.
Catch you later.
One day
Yeah, good on you, mate. Have a good sleep.
Yeah.
Para si Baby V din to. Guys, I have to turn off the music. Yeah, I have to turn off the music. You had 2 chocolates? Did you have 2
3
chocolates?
men, 2 chocolates.
Ooh, sugar for more.
Let's turn the central heating off. She's too hot, which is a novelty.
Yeah, I'm closing this vlog now, guys.
It's good morning from us.
Because it's 12 midnight, so it's good morning,
Well,
good night.
12 midnight.
Kulit. Good night, guys. Good afternoon ba? Good afternoon, guys. Tchan-tcharan!
Dito na naman ako.
Guys, may tambayan na kami.
Siyempre, sa hills.
Sa hills kami, guys. May bahay bakasyonan sila. Bahay bakasyonan.
ka.
Yes. Luto kami, guys. Sila din nagdala ng pangpakbet. Uy, kompleto Ricardo sila.
Oo, siyempre. Ako pa. Chef na ako.
Tapos ako, sweet and sour.
Yum.
Hintay namin si Kat.
Si Kat at saka si Baby B. At si Nia.
Natawa ako, parehas tayo ng
Inisip.
naisip.
Oo nga eh.
Anong dadalhin? Si Baby B.
Ang saya niya kasi dito, Lai. Oo nga eh. Pansin mo, sobrang saya niya talaga dito.
Tapos, hindi mo kapaniwala din si Tony na umiyak siya sa car.
No. Sabi ko ano ba yun?
Kawawa naman.
Kasi ayaw niya kaya matulog.
Ayaw niya siya. Alas 12 na kami. Kinain niya guys, hilaw. Sarap daw. Sarap daw. Wala, mamaya sumakit pa yung tiyan nito.
Kasalanan mo, buwan. Pinakain ng ilaw na ano. Nakakain ba yun yung ilaw na ampalaya?
Nakakain yung hilaw ng palayaday kasi kinikilaw to.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Dad!
Ha? Ganda.
Ay, hindi ta sikat, guys. Ang taray. Ay, may pa-dessert si Madam.
Baka sabihin wala na akong dala. Ang ganda na shoes mo, Dai. Kids? Kids. Sa Pilipinas? Wala dito. Yeah, right. Wala, ang cute ng sapatos niya.
Ano sapatos niya?
Kids.
Ah, oo nga, ang cute. Veronica, guys. Ayun, no. Ang sweet, binigyan niya ng unan. So, eto na yung luto ni Lodi, guys. Ang sarap. Tapos yung sweet and sour yun pa. Dinagdagan. Wala siya, hindi siya umulbo, guys. Tapos para siyang, ay, hindi siya, mukha siyang sunog sa camera. Hindi siya sunog sa normal, guys. Uy. Pero, in-air fry siya namin para mas healthier. Ayan. Malapit na. Nagsaing pa si Kat. Early dinner na to, guys. Takot siya.
Tayo sa punto na sobrang healthy na talaga natin.
May
Kasi
pa
yun na lang yung available
dessert
box
si
in
Madam.
air fryer. Tapos magiging uso na yan, magiging mura na yan. So lahat mag-air fryer na.
Tapos
nagluluto ko na sa hangin. Air fryer.
Iba din. Talino, besh!
Nagano kasi tayo sa sabi niya, air fryer ba sa air, hindi tubig, water. Hot one. Pani ka no? Pani. Sarap.
Pani.
Sarap.
Ano yung sa gitna?
Ano natin?
Parang
Air.
air. Oh, funny. Manata.
Patawanin mo si Christina eh. Bigyan natin yung malaki kay ano.
Sabi mo wala si Lab eh. O sige, ikaw nga. Ikaw magpatawa.
Ito ba ito niya, ni Tony?
Kakain yan siguro like.
I don't know.
Kulit mo, babe. Dito si Christina pala, guys. Hindi, ito si Madam Christina.